What are contrarian investors thinking right now, and is this a good time to buy or sell in the stock market? Stay tuned for more. Thank you for watching. This is Richard with Wisdom Investor. We're going to look at this subject here on contrarian investing. And here's a quote from Warren Buffett, multi-billionaire. He says, "Be fearful when others are greedy, and greedy when others are fearful." So we're going to investigate this stock market right now. Do we have an excessive fear in the markets or excessive greed? Now let's look at the definition for contrarian investing. It says contrarian investing is an investment style in which investors purposely go against prevailing market trends by selling when others are buying and buying when most investors are selling. We're going to take a look at a stock market timing bulletin by Mark Hurlbut. He says the stock market weakness is likely to persist as extreme bullishness is reaching a crescendo. This is an article out of USA-Vision.com. Here's what Mark Hurlbut has to say in his bulletin. It says, stock market timers recently became more bullish than at almost any other time since data began being collected in 2000. In the past, the stock market has reliably struggled in the wake of bullishness this extreme. Now, Mark Hurlbut, he surveys all of the stock market timing newsletters, and he puts out this bulletin here. What it does is it indicates when market timers are excessively bullish or when they're excessively bearish. And what Mark has found is that when the market and timers are excessively bullish, eventually the market will have a downturn. And it goes the other way around too. When the market is excessively bearish, the market eventually turns around. Therefore, the concept of contrarian investing. So right now, market timers are very bullish in the market. We did have a bit of a low in the market as far as bearishness back in late September. Let's take a look at our S&P 500 chart here. And you can see when the market came down, investors became quite bearish. Therefore, it produced a good buying opportunity. Hurlbut's timing newsletter indicates that stock market timers are very bullish right now. So he's saying the market may pause or it even could come down lower. You can see in the past, when the market has reached excessive bullishness, eventually the market came down. The blue line is the Dow Jones Industrials, while the red line being the market timers. Again, back in August, we were very bullish in the markets. The markets were moving up, and then we had this dip. Then stock market timers became very bearish in the markets. Therefore, we got a push back up in the Dow Jones Industrials. So looking at our chart here, the S&P 500, long term, we're still bullish. We're holding above the 200 and 250-day moving average. Long-term investors continue to dollar cost average into the market in increments. Dollar cost averaging would be putting a little bit of money in each month. Now, as far as putting a lump sum investment in right now, we need to wait for stock market timers to become more bearish, and most likely that would mean the market has come down to get a buying opportunity. As Warren Buffett says, be fearful when others are greedy and greedy when others are fearful. So right now we're probably in more of a greedy situation at this point. So we looked at the definition for contrarian indicator. We looked at where stock market timers are right now. They're more bullish than bearish. And then we also have the election process going on. And so we'll see where the market takes us here in the next couple of weeks. Stay tuned for future updates. Thank you for watching.